Dynach, the proponen, the Can Rag Cerno 2020. And flwyddyn yma yw bleddyn arbennig rag yn ni, Gans and Pan Celtic, dreffyn i fos bleddyn Cerno. Ag rag hedna in bleddyn yma, and cestrif I honen yw nepeth arbennig a nepeth newydd, yn gys newydd rag yn ni. So, good evening and welcome to Can Rag Cerno 2020. This year is an important year for us with the Pan Celtic Festival because it's the year of Cornwall. And for that reason, and to mark that, the competition this year is in a slightly different format, and we are recording everything and putting it up online for everybody to become involved in the voting. And Kenza Bagus, Haneth, yw Broda Moore, Gans Agahan Troddyddiac. So the first band tonight is Brother C with their song Circadian, about nature and the connection with the moon. Brother C.
Gas the voice space to go, Camerl of the Gallus, a car with Gensi, what into us. En nel velan mor, a safe hagagoth, in Cassia cloud, a gallo bluff, to say ben is skazona, na il sevelone, bethneth my kerviler, o see o terland tree, tear no stone, how tell in Tevry. Jeff, and nos you thieves, Gwen he Hebron, burlesque and bass, but fair can coast, Dagan Tanders, Hun Rosoello, go Venicag and Bess, Del the Guavo, have Otasco, Troy the air, you all here war, Rebo Galio, then with our eyes. Tell Satan Gwenel I can pass. It's hallelujah and tell day. Nelaptha while you're melody. Yake on sabe. The dance ya have prayer. It's hallelujah and tell day. Nelaptha while you're melody. Yake. Skoldes heroes, it goes here us. Tell them running, can't mess. Skoldes heroes, it goes here us. Tell them running, can't mess. Tell them running, can't mess.
Wrth Broda Moore, Haican, Troddyddiac. Haglemin, and Nessa Bagus, and Yuminko, Bagus, Gans, Can, and Towin. So many thanks to Brother C and their song Circadian. And we're moving on now to the second band, Minko and her band with Canon Tuin, which is Tunes of the Dunes. Hagan weir the new Bacchus Haneth Rag Agahano. Thanks indeed to Minko and her band for that song, and to both bands tonight for their music. John Slemon Rag Puponen, the Votia Rag and Can you Gwel Genachwi, the Vos Rag Kerno, their Werthon in Mis Ebril than Gulna. And a chance now for everyone to vote for the song that you think would represent Cornwall, should represent Cornwall in Ireland in the international competition this year. So, Miraz the Puponen, a Duke and a Wheel.